Hello, welcome to Waggies Travels.
Hello.
Hello. We're on lunch break. We've come out, so we're gonna have a little walk about once we've eaten. And today we are at. You did that on purpose, didn't you? Because you know I'm going to mess up the pronunciation of it. Well, we're at. Come on.
Wacker.
Wacker Quay, not Waikiki. Wacker Quay, which is on the road from.
Polbathic to.
Yeah, Polbathic, Trawlfoot to Torpoint Road. It's the road. It's that road. It's a little pull-in. I think it does say no overnight camping, but I'll check when we've had a quick look around. Show you the view. We'll show you the view outside.
It faces the river.
Yes, it faces the river. So yeah, which you're seeing.
Hello.
Hello. So the view from the car is this. Which I think's absolutely lovely.
There's a bit of a beach here.
It is. So this is Wacker Quay, and there is a little plaque which I shall go and have a look at. Yeah. So
The thing is, it's not much of a beach, so we don't tell anybody, will you?
yeah, there is.
It'll be a secret.
Yeah. So there is sort of like a little. Yeah.
A little shingly beach.
Yeah, a little shingly beach, which you can see.
Oh, there would have been a jetty here at one stage.
Yeah, so this is, you can see there, as Lisa just said, it's sort of like a jetty. Yeah. And if you turn right, then that takes you down to
Where Mitchell and I did some footage, if you look at the Saltash one.
yes, so the Saltash one.
Just a continuation of this, isn't it?
Yeah. So to your left takes you up towards St Germans, Port Eliot, that direction, Port Eliot Marina. But there is a footpath from here to Anthony. So when it's a bit brighter, I think we might try that. I think we might park the car up.
Yeah.
And try that.
What was that for a nice walk on a lovely warm day?
Yeah, well, just wimping out today.
Well, I've been working all morning, so I'm pretty chilly.
Yeah. So there's an outflow over there, if you can see it. Just over there.
Coming up off the hills.
Yeah, I should imagine so.
Oh, it'll be nice and fresh and cold.
Yeah. But we're outdoors.
No, this is on our doorstep.
Yeah.
So.
Well, we're on the beach. I should imagine that you could, if you were discreet and tidy, come here and wild camp. Are we still allowed to use the term wild camp? I don't know. There's a few podcasts, really good podcasts. The camping crew discussed this in depth a while back, but Can we still call it wild camping? Look at that.
Opposed to what?
Well, this is it. It's what name can we give it? Because we're in the wild and we're camping. Trouble is, the golden rule is leave nothing but your footprint. Unfortunately, some people do tend to leave a lot more. So. Sorry, is that what?
Is that 2 Canadian geese there?
It probably is. I can't zoom in at the moment. But yeah, you're probably right, it probably is. I think you can actually sort of walk. Are you going to walk up there?
Where the stream's coming from.
It's a stream. But I reckon during when it's a bit not so boggy, you could actually walk all the way down there.
All the way where?
All the way down there.
Well, I think you can walk down there now.
It's very boggy. It is very boggy. Oh, she's braving it. She's braving it. We're walking down the shingly bit. The bit I was talking about, the muddy bit, is just to my right. So, trying to see how far down we can get before we get cut off. There's seaweed up here, so it obviously comes up this far. Not thus far, this far. All right. Oh. Look at that.
Bad for your lunchtime walk, isn't it?
Yeah. This is, honestly God, this is like 2 minutes? 2 minutes from our house. So, why was the water wet?
Because the seaweed.
Because the seaweed. Alright, hang on. Oh, there's a footpath. I wouldn't want to. I've got an idea that might be a bit slippery. Yeah.
Well, there's plenty of well, when the tide's out, there's plenty of shingle here, isn't there?
Yeah.
To do a nice walk.
I'm interested to go and have a look at that plaque to see exactly what it says.
I think this would take you out onto the other side of the river to where Mitch and I were.
So this, if you follow it, takes you to Anthony.
Yeah. The pictures I took from Saltash had a wall ship, didn't it?
Yeah.
And then obviously the bank the other side.
Yeah, so that is, so you was down at Saltash, which you was then facing Anthony.
Yeah.
So
it all meets up, doesn't it?
So the let's just turn you around. So so the Anthony vlog will appear here, and the Saltash vlog will appear here ish. So
it's very, very calm. There's no breeze, but it's a bit chilly.
Virgin. No hat. Look, I've got no hat and gloves.
Oh, you're well on, don't you? No. Especially now it's going to start raining.
Yeah, now it's going to start raining. Got to walk back to the car. It's where the tide turns and we're stuck. No, we just checked this out, didn't we? The tide isn't in till 8 o'clock tonight.
Yeah, I think we can even though we walk quite slow, I think we could even make it before the tide comes in at 8 o'clock tonight. Anyway, there's this fruit pie in the car.
Yeah. Anyway.
So you have motivation.
This has been our afternoon exercise.
No crocodiles.
No crocodiles. So yeah, afternoon exercise. So thanks for watching.
No hippopotamus.
Hippopotamus.
Hippopotamus, I love it here.
Hippopotamus?
Hippopotamuses, yeah.
Hippopotamus?
Yeah, the English ones.
Are they?
Yeah, the hippopotamus.
Oh, right.
Distant cousin
Of the
of the hippopotamus. Yeah.
hippopotamus. It's easier for you to see.
It's because my face is so cold.
So your face has to be cold to pronounce it?
Possibly. There are some Canadian geese out there, aren't there?
There are. Yeah. So anyway, thanks for watching. Like, subscribe and comment and...
Ding the bell for notifications.
Oh, we've got
It's just getting boring now because I can just say it. You're
Yeah.
going to have to give me a new task.
Yeah. So, in the comments box, a task for Lisa to get wrong for the first 20 times, please.
That's rather cruel.
Thanks for watching. Bye for now.
Bye.
Bye. Bye.